In Lucknow, a tragic incident has taken place, and where 5 people have been died when a moving bus have catches fire. You can see and understand the visual that how tragic this movement when the fire caught. The movement when the bus coming from the Bihar, Begusarai to Delhi, in that movement early morning, around 4:30, the fire catches and inside the passenger who were present and that were trying to escape from the bus, but unfortunately because it was a sleeper bus and that is why they could not do anything for just saving themselves. And that moment they have to move from the window which was near to the driver, and that's the moment which you can see and understand that how tragic this moment was, because all the things have been burned here and the flame could be seen from 1 kilometer away. So you can understand and see the thing that how much this was situation over here, and nobody even in that moment was good to do anything, because the 5 passenger who were inside have burned and died. But the another 60 people passenger who were inside, they have been rescued by the by the team, and at the moment the police officers and the rescue team have reached and they have saved approximately 60 people who were inside, 60 passengers who were inside this bus, and this was a totally sleeper bus which was going from Bihar to Delhi. And that moment you can understand and see this visual that the fire is still, you can see the smoke from this tire which is coming right here. So after 3 hours it has happened. Even then this fire could be seen from here. So this is a reason, and the fire extinguishers also could be used in that moment. But the 5 passengers who have been tragically died inside the bus. So this all over have happened from Lucknow's Mohanlalganj area, where it was going from Begusarai to Delhi. With camera person Sanjay Singh, Ashish Srivastava, India Today, Lucknow.